These days, millions of young people like you want to become a K-pop stars. But the problem is only the top 10% can pass the audition and make it to the K-pop training process. Moreover, almost half of these K-pop trainee drop halfway and give up on their dream to become one of a K-pop idol. That's why you need to watch this video till the end. I'll show you 7 best jobs beside the K-pop idol, just in case you fail the K-pop audition or drop halfway and cannot become one of a K-pop idol in the future. Keep it in mind that all of these companies combined, they're only debuted around 10 K-pop group a year. As in 2022, we only see 12 popular K-pop group debuted. I believe they have more than that, but some projects fail before they have a chance to make their debut. And in the last 10 years, we have seen a lot of small K-pop groups after they just dropped a few songs and disappeared from the K-pop industry forever. That's because companies cannot see the future of those groups and they cannot demand much attention from the audience. But after hearing all of this, should you be afraid to try, even just to go to the audition? Yes, you should be scared, but what you should be more afraid of is losing yourself. Stop pursuing your dreams and finish school just to go to work 8 hours a day like normal people and living a boring life. You should scare that one day you become a boring adult like those people around you. You did not deserve that. If you can make it to become a K-pop trainee now or in the future, you are a superstar material. Do not go back to live normal life even if you fail to debut. Today I come here to tell you there is 7 best job for a former K-pop trainee or ex-K-pop idol that could also make you a lot of money and give you a lot of popularity that you deserve like a K-pop idol. Number 1. A K-drama actress. If you are a former K-pop star or a former K-pop trainee, you should have more opportunities than others people to become an actor in the field of K-drama. Because you have trained for 4 to 5 years, you know how to act, dance, sing, and most importantly, you have Korean beauty standards. There are many non-Korean actors in K-dramas. Frankly, it does not seem difficult. You may have to go to school to perform and of course you need talent. All I can tell you is that you need to practice a lot, study hard, and you will succeed. Up front, I know I cannot guarantee success, but if you stay positive and keep your dreams alive, you will most likely find an agent and become an actor in Korea. First, at least you have to be in Korea and speak Korean well. But how can you get started? To become a professional actor, you cannot wait and go to audition like K-pop audition. You need to hire your own manager or agent. These people are the ones who can get you a job. They know a lot of people in the industry. They are always informed when a company starts recruiting actors for their new movie. When the new movie or TV series drop, the agent will contact you to go to the audition. But don't expect the big role yet when you are new to this job. Or the other choice, you can apply to be a contract actress in some of these companies like Studio Dragon, CJENM, TVN, and many more. What about salary? Based on the survey, salary for average actors in South Korea is $16,208 per month. You will get paid more than that if you can get a big role or if you are a grade A actress. Number 2. Become an influencer. This one is super easy if you are a K-pop trainee or a former K-pop idol. First of all, you already win a lot of people because you have Korean beauty standard. You can get a lot of attention already when the time you show your face on camera. But here a thing, a lot of people think if they post themselves on every platform, they will get famous fast, but it's not like that. What you should do is, you should focus on a single social media platform that match your talent or your standard. For an example, if you are beautiful, good at clothing style, or take a stunning picture, you should get started on Instagram. Show your lifestyle, day-to-day life, hire a professional photography to shoot a stunning picture. Go to popular event, make some friend with other famous influencer will increase your follower fast. When you get between 1,000 to 40,000 followers, you will become micro-influencers. You can make money by brand deal, sponsored, or affiliate marketing. If you want to start on TikTok, it's easy. As former K-pop trainee, dancing, singing is not a problem, but in TikTok, people prefer personality and follow the trend. If you can follow all the trend and make some friend with other creator, it will make you popular fast. You can make money by creator fund from TikTok or sponsored. Some micro-influencers on TikTok can make around $4,000 to $10,000 a month. But if you're good at making a video or you like to travel, good at makeup or singing and dancing, you should be a YouTuber. In general, there is no limit on YouTube. You can do a lot of things on YouTube. You don't have to be an influencer to make money. But in this case, I will told you how can you make money and gain popularity almost like a K-pop idol that you deserve on YouTube in the next part. Number 3. A YouTuber. YouTuber is a lot more than just an influencer. You can do anything on YouTube and people will watch it. So if you are a former K-pop trainee or ex-K-pop idol, here's some example for you to try. 1. You can teach people how to dance and sing on YouTube. Because you are clearly a professional, you just not on a K-pop idol level. but you can share your dance lesson to other people or open a class. 2. Sharing your experience of 4 to 5 years that you have been training in the K-pop industry. You can help guide the next generation of K-pop idol to be success. 3. Makeup tutorial and the training process. They will teach K-pop trainee how to make up like a professional K-pop idol, so why don't use that to teach your viewer and make some money on YouTube? With makeup tutorial, you can make around $5,000 to $10,000 per 1 million view. 4. Become a cover singer or songwriter on YouTube. People get millions and millions of views from cover song on YouTube, like J Flaw, Emily Sai, Zos, Yen, and many more. You can be your own little star on your own platform. No strict rule like K-pop idol, you can do whatever you want. Like Rose from Blackpink once said, if she never become a K-pop idol, she will be a YouTube star. Job number 4. Become the MCs on a talk show or host on Korean TV. To do this, you must be good at public speaking, charming, and funny. With good English or Korean, you need to apply for a job at any TV company if you feel you are ready. In addition, if you are lucky, you are more likely to be a K-pop star again, or most likely a solo singer in the K-pop industry if the company sees that you are very talented. Or just be a host, because this work is also as interesting and popular as the K-pop star. Generally speaking, can also be considered as a K-pop idol. Number 6. A fashion model. You know what? Some fashion company in Korea is also K-pop idol company too, such as YGJYP and many more. But to be a model, you need to have a standard body. Female models with height 5.6 can be easily accepted. Male models with 5.10 heights are accepted. The only thing that the agencies see is that you have a good personality and acceptable looks. You should only have good skin and a good body. And how much does a modeling make in Seoul, South Korea? The average salary for a modeling is $24,000 in Seoul, South Korea. Number 7. Producer. It's not weird that a lot of K-pop producer out there are also the ex-K-pop idol or a former K-pop trainee. Because K-pop idol career is short, but producer and songwriter are forever. But to be once of a producer is also hard as a K-pop idol too. You need to learn more about music and producing. Start from small and work your way up. Like Teddy Park from YG Entertainment. He is a songwriter, producer, and a Korean-American rapper. He debuted in a hip-hop group called One Tim way back then. And he once refused Lady Gaga's offer to work together just to focus more on Trainee 1. He had produced many hit songs from the second generation until now. If you're only good at dancing, and you really like to dance, you can become a backup dancer for K-pop idol. This job is not big as K-pop idol, but it's also made a lot of money if you dance for biggest company. If you want to be a backup dancer, I think there are 2 different ways for that. Sometimes, backup dancers that we see on stage are really just backup dancers, those of whom signed up as a backup dancer. These people can audition online, local, or even scouted to be a backup dancer. So yes, this is a choice to audition to become a backup dancer. And sometimes they're trainees from the company. The company does this to ensure that a trainee that has a fair chance of debuting to have a chance on stage before being the spotlight of it.